Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install the current MongoDB version, that is MongoDB 5.0.0. So we will install MongoDB 5. To install MongoDB, we first need to download it. So let us download MongoDB current version. Go to the browser. We are using Chrome. You can use any browser. On Google, type MongoDB. Press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, mongodb.com. Click on it. Here is the official website, mongodb.com. Click on try free. After clicking, you can see we need to run MongoDB locally. So we need to click on premises, that is MongoDB locally. Click on it. After clicking guys, click on MongoDB community server. Here it is. I clicked on it. And under available downloads, you can see 5.0.0 is the current version. We want for Windows 10, that is Windows. And we want a package. If you want a zip file, you can go for this option. Second one, but I'll show an installer. So I'll go for MSI and I'll click on download. After clicking, the download will begin. You can see it's only 274 MB. You need to wait for a few seconds. Let's wait. So guys, as you can see, we have downloaded it, the MSI file installer. Now I'll double click on it to install. Minimize this. Here and you can see the wizard started for MongoDB 5.0.0 version. Click on next. Accept the terms. You can read this. I'll click on next. Setup type. Do you want complete setup type or custom? I always prefer complete for MongoDB. So click on it. Here in server configuration is visible. Install MongoDB as a service. MongoDB is MongoDaemon. It's fine. The default is fine. The service name is MongoDB. And this is the data directory and the following is the log directory. We will see these directories later. So just click on next. So it is asking to install MongoDB Compass. So it is a GUI of MongoDB, you can say, just like for MySQL, there is MySQL Workbench that provides you a GUI to create table, database and other stuff. So in the same way, we have MongoDB Compass. Yes, I want to install it. Click on next. Ready to install, click on install. Now it will start installing. So guys, herein you can see the setup completed. We have installed MongoDB. It also installed MongoDB Compass if you remember. And the shortcut for MongoDB Compass got created on its own. Now click on finish. Now we will go to the folder wherein we installed MongoDB. If you remember, it was C drive, program files, search MongoDB here. Here it is. Double click and server 5.0 and here it is. If you remember, the following is a data directory as well as log directory which we saw before, and the following is the bin. Double click on it. Copy this path and let us set the environment variables. Go to start, type environment variables. Click on the first one, not the second one, always remember. Click on the first one or you can straight away click on open. Herein guys, under system properties, advanced tab, go to environment variables, click on it. Now under system variables, go to path. We double clicked on it. Now guys, go to new and herein all the paths are visible which we have set. Right click and paste the same path. We have pasted the following 5.0 bin path. So we have set it. Click on OK. OK and the last OK to apply it. That's it. Now let us go to start. Type CMD. Click on open to open it. Herein guys, let us type MongoD first, which is MongoDaemon. Press enter. You can see here. So herein you can see guys, after typing MongoD, here it is written that C data DB not found. So all the databases get saved here. So you need to create a directory data, under that you need to create a folder DB. So let us create in C drive. Here it is C drive. Let us create under C drive, new folder, data. Here it is. So within that, create DB. Here it is. That's it, and now all the databases will get saved here. Okay, so I'll run it here again. I'll run MongoDB again, press enter. Here it is. So now guys, minimize this, open a new command prompt, cmd, click on open. Now type Mongo. That was MongoDB, that is MongoDaemon. Herein just type Mongo to start the server. Herein we started it. Now let us see the default databases using showdb's command, press enter. Here is the default databases. Now if you want to create a database, or if you want to create a document or collections, for that refer the link in the description of this video. Basically MongoDB collections are like MySQL tables, and MongoDB documents are like MySQL rows. So guys, in this video we saw how we can download and install the current MongoDB version, that is MongoDB 5.0.0. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.